Hi guys, welcome back to my channel at bizyjoe.com. So today I'll be teaching you some Canva tutorials on how to create a photo template for your blog posts, for your social media handles, and other things. So let me move over to Canva website and show you how to do that. Canva is one of the best web-based websites that you can use to design all your graphics, whether photo, flyer, anything. So you can use Canva to get that done. So canva.com, or you can come to Google and search canva.com. But I'll be dropping the link of this website on the description box below. So this is the Canva interface. I already signed up, but if this is your first time of signing up or visiting this website, you need to sign up with them. It is very easy. I've already produced a video on that. I'll be also be leaving the link on the description box below. So this is the Canva interface. So these are some of the works I have done using Canva. I've done a whole lot of works using Canva. As you can see, I've been using Canva for long now. So you can use it to create a video, create a presentation, YouTube thumbnail, Instagram post, logo, umbrella, poster, and all that. So let's get started. So if you want to create a template, first and foremost, what you need to do is to use a customized size depending on what you are doing. If you are creating an Instagram template, you just click on this Instagram post. If you are creating a thumbnail template, you just click on that. Okay, so let me show you some of the templates I created. This is for my YouTube thumbnail. Let me open it and show you this for YouTube thumbnail. Then I also have this another template for my store. For my store, these are what I use to create all the images. This is my, let me still open it and show you. So this for adverts, advert templates. So this just that. Let me know whether it's open. Okay, these are open. So this is templates for thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. So as you can see, I have like three of them or four of them. Okay, so different templates for YouTube thumbnail. Then I also have this one. This is for adverts, my store adverts. So this is size. So depending on what you are doing, if you want to create a template, you can choose a custom size or just select any of these, maybe presentation, YouTube, Instagram, logo. So, but for this case, I'm creating this specifically for a blog. So I will rather go with a custom size. So let me use a width of, because it's for a blog post, I'll do something that is large. Let's say 1000 width by 480. Or you can even use 450. Let me use 450. 450. So I will just create a new design. Click on create a new design. It will automatically generate a work template for you. So once you get that, as you can see, I already have my size here. So the next thing I will do is to upload, for because this is for blog posts. Then I will use my blog logo. So let me go to upload. So let me go to upload. If you don't have your logo here, you must have designed your logo. You can use this Canva to design your logo. You can click on upload media. Once you click on upload media, you can select any media, any logo. If you have a logo, you can just click on it and upload it. But for me, I already uploaded my logo before here, and your logo must be in PNG format. Yeah, take note of that. I have so many things here. So I have so many things. I don't. Okay, I have one logo. I think I found one logo. Okay, let me use this DSTV logo. Let me use that. Okay, okay, let me use this. This is my logo for store. Okay, let me use this logo. So I will link this inside. Okay, let me bring. So this is the icon. These are two things I need to design a template for my. I just want to keep it very simple, so I can leave this like this. I can leave this. Then the image. Okay, I can use any of this. If I want, I can use this. If I don't want, I can use this. But let me go with the icon. I think it will be okay. Then the next thing to do is just to write the name of my blog. I can write the name of my blog. Let me use Bizyjoe blog. Let me use Bizyjoe blog. Okay, so I can leave it in I can leave it in capital letter. Bizyjoe blog. So this. Then you can the another thing that you can do here is to add a slogan. You can add a slogan for if you want. Okay, so what I will just say explore, uh, discover, and then new things. New things. Okay, so this will not be the slogan for this my template, or that's not necessary. The reason why you are doing this, you want to make any image that you upload on your blog to look unique. You want it to be unique. So the next thing to do is I can come here and search any. Let me search for. Let me go to. I can go to Google instead of uploading an image from Google straight. So let me search Man United. Let me search Man United. So instead of uploading this image from Google, because it's not advisable, even when you want to monetize your blog, it is not good to just use image from Google like that. Or if you want to use Google image, you can come to tools, then go to users rights, then find for Creative Commons license. These Creative Commons license image are free images that you can use. So, but let's just go to all images. So if you want to use any of this image here, if you want to use any of them, what I normally do is I will just click on this, then I will I will save this. I will save this on my system. It's coming up. So when I save this, I'll upload it on Canva. So the next thing to do is just to come to upload, click on upload file and upload. But the easiest way to go about it is just to drag this. Once you drag it and move it here, it will by default upload on your. Are you seeing that? So this have been uploaded to my Canva. So I will do this. So then I will change the position of this to the back. I will change the position of this to the back. So if you notice something, this my title here is supposed to be white. So I'll now change the color to white. Still change the color of this to white. Or you can find any. choose your brand color for that. Just choose your brand color for that. I'm just doing this for tutorial sake. So as you can see, this is not visible enough. What I can do is that I can add a shape here. I can just add something like this. I can add something like a circle shape like this. Then I will just position this to be top. You understand? So this now appears at the top. Let me put this like this. This is too big. I'll just then I'll put this inside so that it will be a bit visible. So once you are done with this, you can even do the same thing for this. You can even add something of this like this. Just play around with this so that it makes it warmer. So this with this now like this. So I can change the color of this to black or this. So once I change the color, it makes then I'll change the opacity so that this okay. So this now by default, this is just a simple template for your blog post. It's just a simple template. So what you will do, you just download this, click on download, use PNG, use PNG. There are so many ways through which you can use JPEG, PDF, but use PNG. Then you click on download. If you have another blog post, if you have another blog, what you need to do is just to come here, delete this, then go to Google. Maybe you want to use this image. What you need to just to upload this back here, then just do like this, then change the positioning to backward to the back. Bam, your template set, then you still download this. So you just what you need to do is just to save this, you just delete this. If you still have another post, you put it there. And know that when you are saving it, do well to save with the title of your blog post. So this is how to design a template for your blog post. Please, if you find this content useful, please do well to subscribe to my channel at bizyjoehustle.com, and remember to share this video with your friends and like, comment, and share this video. So thanks for watching this video.